Deputies were dispatched to a home on an isolated road after receiving a report involving a young child in possible physical distress. With limited information and no clear picture of what awaited them, officers approached the property to conduct a welfare check. What they discovered on arrival would quickly turn a routine call into a serious criminal investigation.
Sheriff's office, anybody here? Is anybody here? Sheriff's office. Anybody here?
I'm here.
Where?
In the shed.
In the shed?
Yes, I can see you from right this window.
Where at? Oh, hi.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Who else is there with you?
It's just my water bottle and me.
How old are you?
6.
6?
Yes.
Where are your parents at?
They're down.
Are you able to come over here?
Like, walk is open. But you just gotta on the red gate. So, right down and walk right into the shop.
How do you open it?
Not open, down pool.
The hole?
Yes.
No.
Right up there. On your head.
Here? I can't climb that. Well, do you have your phone? Do you have a phone for your parents? Do you have a phone for your parents?
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone?
I'm a kid.
Okay. Was there a man here earlier? He said you had bruises. Do you have any bruises?
Only one.
Uh,
Above my eye.
how did that happen?
The ground.
The ground? You fell?
That's what I told the old man.
Oh, okay. And you're just concerned because you're here by yourself. You're not supposed to be by yourself. You know that, right? Okay. Do you have air conditioning in there? Do you have water? No? Is it hot in there? It is? Okay. I'm gonna see what I can do to help you, okay?
Upon arrival, deputies discovered that the child had been confined inside a shed for approximately 26 hours, during a period when local temperatures exceeded 100 degrees. The conditions raised serious concerns for the child's health and well-being.
Just fucking open.
Where are you? Right there?
Yes.
Hi. Deputy Olivas, Luna County.
We're coming to get you, baby. Come on out.
Anybody else there? No, just you? And come on out.
You okay? Come with these gentlemen right here. You guys, come on, take her to the ambulance. We can just take her over there.
Okay.
Get her out of here. It's kind of stuffy.
Emergency medical services were requested, and the child was transferred to an ambulance for immediate evaluation and treatment. Deputies secured the scene and began documenting the conditions and circumstances surrounding the incident.
Do you have a flashlight just so we can document the conditions?
This is
Just where's the header?
it's
A poop bucket.
a poop bucket. Is there anywhere for her to sleep up there? You want to go all the way up there? Let's see what.
Hold this. Just like light it up just up here.
How does it look?
There's like a mattress and stuff, but that's it. No pillows, no nothing.
There's no running water, nothing, huh, in here? Sheriff's office! Because I know they have another kid.
She said that they took her. She said she has a little sister.
Yeah, we might as well get the living conditions of this area too.
Yeah.
Looks like this is where they have the baby. It's hot in here.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Dude, it's ridiculous, man. And there's no way for her to get out, huh?
No, get out.
So they locked her inside.
She didn't have a cell phone. No running water. After she was thirsty, she said yes. After she was hungry, she said yes.
We'll buy her some food. I'll get her something later. Once, we'll probably end up having to take her to the hospital. It's fucking horrible, dude.
She's got a good gash on her head. She said she fell yesterday. She didn't say how or nothing. She just said she fell. She has a pretty good gash. I told them how we got called out here, and they said that one of her pupils is bigger than the other. So he's...
Concussion?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
He asked her if she got real tired after, and she said yeah.
Oh shit! I wonder if she fell from.
And then she has on her leg.
Did.
And then on her leg, she has significant bruising, like swelling, around her shin, about right here, and a good scrape. She said that happened during the fall too.
Well, did you see the living conditions?
Yeah.
Well, they have her bed up top.
Oh, is it?
I'm pretty sure she fell or something. Or they could have hit her too.
So if anything, we're gonna get her to the hospital, make sure she's good overall.
Okay.
Later, the child's mother arrived at the residence, where deputies placed her under arrest in connection with the investigation.
What's going on?
I will explain to you after we try and go talk with the husband.
Can we at least wait for my husband to get here? He'll be here in a few minutes to take my baby.
Put your hands,
Please?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can we just please wait for my husband to get here just so he could get her? Please?
Okay, no, we're gonna take care of her, okay?
Please? What is going on?
I'll explain to you here in a bit.
Well, what is going on? What is going
30 seconds, sir. We're gonna have 41 under investigative.
Go against the wall for me. Or the car.
What is going on?
Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick or pop?
Oh!
30 seconds, sir. 40 copy 28 out of New Mexico.
What's going on?
What's right here?
Probably your receipt.
Receipt? All right.
You're more than welcome to. What is?
Let's go in the back of my unit, okay?
Hi. Hi, how are you? How are you?
My husband's gonna be walking.
He's gonna be walking?
Yeah, that's what she said. How are you? I'm gonna move her to your truck just so the air, because it's hot. You gonna come with me? You gonna come with me? Come on. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. You wanna go with mommy? Come on. Oh, you? Oh my goodness. Come on, buddy. Oh my goodness.
Shortly after, the child's father arrived at the residence and was also taken into custody by deputies.
You have any, real quick, you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't.
You have any guns, knives? No?
No.
Any syringes, nothing like that?
Nothing.
No?
No.
Okay, do me a favor, just put your hands behind your back, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So as of right now, you're not under arrest, you're just under detainment, okay?
Alright, that's fine. That's fine. What's going on?
We'll explain to you more in a bit, okay? I think you need to fix right there. No, like,
Is everything alright?
there you go.
What's the problem?
We'll explain to you more in a bit, okay? Right now, we can't really say much. We'll explain to you more in a bit, okay?
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
So, you follow me this way?
Okay. What's going on? Tell me.
I'll explain to you more in a bit, okay? Right now, I can't really tell you much.
Be honest with me.
No, I will. That's why, I have a detective right here, and she'll talk to you, and we'll go through all
Hey
that.
man, don't take my baby. What are you doing with my baby, man?
We're just making sure she's okay. No,
She's okay. She's
Yeah.
been with us.
Yeah, I know. We're just, your wife's there with us right now too, so we're just
That's
looking
my
after.
little girl right
okay.
there.
No, nothing's gonna happen to her, okay?
Sean,
is there
because I'll sue somebody.
Is there a way to open this gate or something like that?
No, there ain't.
No?
And I'm not going to open it.
Okay. Are you able to crawl through here?
Yeah, I can crawl through.
Okay.
But
oh, hold on. Let me go first. Yeah, you go ahead.
Hey, man, you ain't taking my girl.
Okay, you ready?
You ain't taking my girl. I don't care. I will sue you guys.
Okay, ready?
I'm going to be cooperative. I ain't done nothing. Why you guys did? I'd like to know. I mean, I did have the right to know why you guys did it. Do you have any water?
Yeah, 10-4, just confirming you have contact with Bruce.
Affirmative. We're under investigative.
They terrorize me all the time.
Who?
The RV park. Oh, I've been here for 15 years. Never stopped. I mean, they call roads, they call this, they call that. I mean,
Huh?
they won't.
Yeah, you can pat him down? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Go ahead and have a seat from there.
I'd like to file harassment charges.
Okay. Could you go ahead and have a seat for her?
Can I have some water?
Yeah, I'll see what I can do, okay?
Listen,
Like I said, for right now you're just under detainment right now, okay?
yeah.
So just go and hold on.
Whatever, man. You can't arrest me.
Okay.
I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here, but I'd feel like to know.
And we'll get to that, okay?
Appreciate the water, please.
So I don't have water with me right here, okay?
I walked a long ways over here.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'm thirsty. Good, please. I haven't done nothing. I ain't gonna leave. I don't know what's the problem now. I said I'd like to know what's the problem now. I would like to know what the problem is, sir.
Okay, and we'll get to that, okay?
You can't just sit there and arrest me.
Yeah, you're not under arrest. You're just under detainment right now, okay? You're not under arrest.
I haven't done nothing. Okay? I should give you some water, man.
30 Central. Does it show my time of arrival on this call?
If you would, please. Nothing thought of.
As the investigation continued, authorities determined that both children involved required protective placement. The children were taken into the custody of the state's Children, Youth, and Families Department for their safety. Bruce and Samantha Anglin were identified as the parents in the case. Both were taken into custody and formally charged with child abuse. The case remains active, and both individuals are currently awaiting trial as the investigation proceeds. Want more unbelievable police's discovery like this one? Subscribe to Operation BodyCam and never miss the next wild moment caught on BodyCam.